Hey, if you've got a podcast and you're feeling burnt out, I want you to watch this video because my name is Hector Santiesteban. And for much of the last decade, I've spent trying to figure out how to make a sustainable, successful, and profitable podcast. And what I see happen a lot is that a lot of people get started because starting the podcast is actually the easy part these days. With all the tools and all the AI that's out there, getting going is actually the easiest part. The challenging part is sustaining it. The challenging part is making it successful. And again, the challenging part is actually making money from it. And so these are the three mistakes that I see podcasters make. The first one is that they're not consistent enough. Podcasting takes time. There's no way around it. And unfortunately, it's not going to happen overnight. What I tell podcasters is get to 25 episodes as quickly as you can. And there's two reasons for this. And the first is for you. Getting to 25 episodes is going to require you to get over your own BS. It's going to require you to be consistent, and it's going to require you to actually make a habit out of recording, which is one of the biggest challenges in getting going. The second reason is actually for your audience. Too many people, they look up after 5, 10, even 15 episodes, and they think that it's not working. And what it is just that people haven't noticed yet. People have their own lives, people are doing their own thing, and it takes time for people to notice. But 25 episodes, if we think about episode a week, is a little over 6 months of content. And so if someone is seeing you over a 6-month period of time showing up week in and week out, it's going to be memorable. The second mistake that I see podcasters make is that they don't promote their podcast. Because unfortunately, podcasts are not like other types of content. It's not like TikTok where you have an algorithm that's going to go find it and show it to people who don't follow you. It's not like YouTube where people are searching on there looking for specific types of content. And it's not like Facebook or Instagram where you have a group of followers that are already following you. Unfortunately, on podcasts, you have to be the one to go out and tell people about it. You can do this via social media, you can do this via email, or you can even do it in person, in real life, in a variety of different ways. The point is you have to tell people about it or no one's going to find it. The third mistake is actually maybe contradictory to the first one, and that's that people put out too much content too frequently. Because the first one requires consistency and the second one requires you to promote it, that's a lot of time. And so some podcasters get into the hamster wheel of content where they put one episode out and then they're so busy and so caught up trying to get the next episode out that they don't actually take any time to promote it. So if that's the case, give yourself more time, space out your episodes, find ways to continue to publish, but maybe not create entirely new episodes. This can look like rerun episodes, this can look like mashup episodes, or this can look like even shorter, smaller, or even solo type episodes that don't take as much time to produce and edit. The important thing is that you want to give yourself time to promote it, and you also want to give yourself enough time so that you don't burn out. So again, the three mistakes that podcasters make is that they're not consistent enough. Get to 25 episodes as quickly as you can. Stay consistent. The second mistake that they make is that they're not promoting it. You got to tell people about it. Post about it on social media. Send your email list. Send a text. And the third thing is that they may not be giving themselves enough time between the episodes to adequately prepare for the next one and also promote it.